Hi, good morning everyone. Today I am going to show how to create a website using Amazon LightSail. So basically Amazon LightSail is an application or is a service provided by Amazon using which you can create a website, you can create an application, you can create a web app. Okay. So this is mainly very useful for students, very useful for students, people who are new to AWS, and also people who want to migrate from one technology to other. If somebody is working as a web developer, HTML side or the coding side, if you are into testing side, for those people to start with, this is one of the best and easiest service to start with. So in short, LightSail is used to create a website or to launch an application, and it's a bundled package provided by Amazon service. Okay. Let me take you to the Amazon LightSail page and show you how to create this one. I'm logged into my Amazon LightSail account. Now, this is your home page that will be seen. As soon as you log in, this will be your home page. So it is all you can do. You can create a website using just a single click. Just go ahead and click on create instance here. So the initial first step, what it asks you is like to choose the instance location. So that is where our this Amazon LightSail application will be launched in the cloud. Okay. So the nearest location for me, I'm working from India, and the nearest location for me is Mumbai. So I'm choosing Mumbai. So if a user is working from Europe or US, he'll choose the region accordingly because and then you can choose a platform. So whether you need a Linux platform or Windows platform. So in this particular example, I'm showing the Linux one. Now, so this, as I said, this is a bundled package. So he'll provide the server as well as the OS, and also the WordPress website is installed on top of your OS. So he is also giving some database, and on the database, this WordPress will be inside. This is all pre-built. So all we have to do is we have to choose what is that we have to build here. So there are various other applications that are available. But in this particular example, let us see how WordPress can be built. Now he is showing what are the charges for this website that we're building in the cloud. What are the charges that we have to pay and what is it provided? So the basic plan that we have is 3.5 US dollars. In this plan, we get 512 MB of RAM, one virtual CPU, and 20 gigabytes of solid storage device storage. That is the data that you can store. And 512 GB is the data movement. That is the bandwidth, the data transfer that can be allowed in this package. So if you are expecting higher traffic in your website or in an application, you can choose a plan accordingly from the plans available here. And also please note that the Amazon is providing first 3 months free for all the first three packages. So just create an account and do explore in creating a website or a small web application. Okay. Now here you can give some name of your WordPress website. I just give WordPress FNSKP, and then I'm clicking on create instance. So this is built, this is coming up. The machine is now launching the WordPress FNSKP. In the meantime, let us see few more information of some more information about this LightSail. So LightSail. So basically understand what is the purpose, then next uses, and next intended audience, right? So the purpose is like it's nothing but it's a VPS, where we call it as virtual private server. Amazon is virtual private servers. Use it to build small websites, applications, etc. So basically, if you are a fresher or if you are a student and if you want to build your own website, This LightSail is very helpful. Or if you are starting new to the Amazon, as I said, so this is one of the useful feature. So uses is because so here so previously if you wanted to build a website, what we used to do is like we used to create a server on AWS. That's called we call it as EC2 server. Under the EC2 server, we used to pick which OS that we need, and then we used to set up some network group so that you allow traffic to your website. And then that used to be some subnets and all. Okay, once that is done, you used to launch your EC2 server. Then we used to set up a database, some relational database. Okay, because you have to store your data that is coming onto your website and all right application. So this RDS used to set up. Then we used to install some web packages, some Apache or the WordPress, this website, all this needs to be installed. Once all this is done, then your WordPress website used to be ready. But now if you see with Amazon LightSail, it is just a very few clicks. And with that one, we are able to build the website now. So the users is like, you can fill again for building an application, website, or your development or POC systems, okay, etc. Audience, any small businesses or dev POC systems. This is your audience. Okay. So this is a high level overview of LightSail. Let us go back and see whether our WordPress is launched or not. Just click on refresh here, and now it shows the IP address. This is called as public IP address, but the IP address provided here by default with LightSail is a dynamic IP address. So what does it mean is like whenever we restart this machine or whenever we reboot or whenever some maintenance happens, so this IP address gets changed. So you cannot share with your colleagues or project or team or friends because this gets changed every time. So instead we need to have a constant IP, which is nothing but the static IP. So to have a static IP, what you do is go to manage, go to networking tab, and then choose a static IP. Okay, this is our existing dynamic IP. Okay, now go to this one and say static IP so that you will have this static IP throughout the life of this Amazon LightSail server instance. Okay, so if you see, this is changed now 43, 205, 205, 205, 93 is your previous, it is this one. Okay. And now let us see how to connect to the your LightSail server. Okay. So that's it. You have launched a website now. So you can post anything here. For example, your blogs, if you are passionate about or cooking, or if you want to write about your stories, anything, then you can just build the web page and share it with your friends and colleagues. Okay. Now, just one other thing that I wanted to show here is like, how do you connect to this one? Right? You can connect using SSH. So again, if you see this one, it is all web-based thing. Even if you want to connect to the server within the GUI, you are able to connect. So the user interface there itself is just providing. If you observe previously while building this instance, we did not have a username or password. Okay. But now if you wanted to log into this website, for example, so this shouldn't be working because this is no longer available. This is our IP. And if you want to see, I'm logging into the admin portal of this WordPress website. Okay. So now the default username for this site is user, and the password we can get it from here from the console. Just open this file, Bitnami application password. So this is the password of our WordPress site now. So this is not working. This is our IP address now. Okay. So if you see, this is the admin page of your website. Now, from here, you can manage the posts that you're doing. What are the comments that you received? Which comments you have to allow? Which comments you have to delete? What is the content that you want to show? Everything will be displayed here. So this is how you can manage your website. Okay. Thank you for watching. I recommend you to explore, go ahead and explore the Amazon LightSail, create your own website or create your application and post your comments in the comment section. Thank you.